Alright guys, we're not going to waste much time. We're going to jump right into it. Right here is what we need to work on. First is we need to repair this patch in the B-pillar. And I'm just going to cut out a square, and then we're going to clean up this old piece of the old quarter panel and use it to make a patch for that. So we got that squared up enough, good enough anyway, to make a decent template from it. So that's what we'll do. We'll make a paper template, cut it out, and then we will throw it on our scrap metal. That'll work. Just did a little bit of an outline on there with pen, cut it out, stick it in and weld it in. Alright, so we got a pretty decent patch cut out, ready to go in. Just gonna clamp it someplace, just hold it in loosely until I can get it tacked on one side, and then I'll just kind of work it in. This one, Howard, burned through a little bit on this one. I think it's because of the way I sanded down the metal. I'm just going to have to take it easy on this. We'll get her done. So I needed to up my wire speed a little bit. Still learning. That's working better. Alright, we're going to keep going at this. Alright guys, I had some technical difficulties with the camera, so I wasn't able to film basically the fab work of this, but things seem to be going okay now, and you can see it turned out alright. It's not perfect. If you caught my live stream on Sunday, I mentioned how there's some pitting. What I meant to say in that live stream was I sanded the patch down too thin. In the live stream I said I welded it down too thin. I meant to say I sanded it down too thin. So whenever I went to put the patch in, the edges especially were very thin, so it made welding this in tough. But I got her done, and everything is prepped. As you can see in here, the inside metal, everything, all the surfaces are prepped with weld through primer. Same for the other side of the B-pillar. And things are pretty much ready to go. As far as the alignment of the B-pillar, it is now dead on. Everything, as far as I can tell, is aligned up the way that it should be. I have the quarter panel in place, and things are looking really good. I can't close the door all the way now because I have the clamp in place. I mean, you can see what the gap is going to be. We are pretty much ready to go. What I'm going to do is weld in these plug welds here, and then I'm probably going to take the quarter panel off and work on the inner brace to hold this angle, because I don't want this metal pulling on the B-pillar before everything is secured in place with the welds on the inside and this brace. Because remember, this area was bent out pretty good. And that's gonna, yeah, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. We'll see. I think I'll be all right there. But yeah, without further ado, we're gonna fire up the welder and get her done. Much better. Needed to turn my wire speed up. Alright, so here's the first round of welds. This is the area I was telling you about that was a little bit thin. I did burn through a couple times here, but these welds in here are all really good. I'm gonna wait to grind these down until I take the quarter panel off and weld in the inner support areas on the B-pillar. So I'm gonna carefully take this off as to not to move this to keep this angle and everything right, and then we will go from there. Alright guys, so we have it welded in good and secure. Now, it looks pretty ugly at this point. I will clean this up. I was experimenting around with filling this area with weld. I still need to fill in a lot of this pitting, smooth it out. I'll get that looking good so that it doesn't drive me crazy every time I open the driver's side door. The welding over here is good as well. The B-pillar is good and secure, it seems to be. And so far, I'm liking how this phase of the project is shaping up. What I need to do now, I noticed that this brace is still bent in a little bit, which is affecting the way this brace runs to here. So I'm gonna get on the inside of the car and just beat on this a little bit more, and hopefully that'll help bring this metal over some too. We'll try that, see how we make out. Can't guarantee I'm gonna move it much, but we're gonna give it a try. Alright, so just a quick update. Got sidetracked again this evening. After using the laser level, I realized this whole area was dropping more than I realized, And I needed to correct that because, as you can see, there's really nothing supporting the sail panel in this area at this time. So I cut a piece of wood. I had to jack up this side of the car, and then I got this wood in here, and everything is sitting level now. This side is level where it should be in comparison with that side. So I didn't do as much as I wanted to, but I had to get that taken care of. And that was one of those situations where when I saw it, I didn't really want to mess with the camera. I just wanted to get it corrected pretty quickly. So yeah, I got sidetracked doing that, but at least the B-pillar is in. Now we have to go back and start zipping up all our loose ends. Remember, that rear trunk brace isn't welded in. It's screwed into place for now because I didn't want to make anything permanent. So now we got to start disassembly, start welding all this stuff in and building our way up to the wheelhouse, and then once we get there, we will probably install the quarter window while I have access to all that, and then the B-pillar can go on. We should have another episode up Friday. I don't know what's gonna get accomplished between now and then, but I'm feeling good. We're rocking and rolling out here. I appreciate all you guys tagging along. You guys are the best. So that's all we have for this episode. Until the next episode, guys, stay driven.